Okay, the first question, why did you decide to take part in this conference? Why did you decide to become a speaker?
At this conference?
Yes.
Yeah, so I received an invitation from Anton. We have met before in other conferences. We've spoken together at conferences before. And before I didn't know about the DevOpsForum. And so he let me know, and I was very enthusiastic about it as soon as I heard about it. So
are you speaking a lot on different conferences?
Yes. Yeah.
What are some examples of conferences?
Spoken at the Software Circus, Container Day, QCon, DevOps Pros, ScaleConf Colombia, HashiConf, all over.
How do you think is the offline conference format, is it popular right now, or is it moving to online?
I think that offline, so online is a growing trend for sure, but I believe that the engagement that you get from the community is much more valuable on the offline for sure. The coffee, the networking, as a speaker when you're engaging with the people is much more effective when it is offline than when it is online, that's for sure. But also as an attendee, if you want to ask questions and just talk to people, it's much more comfortable when you're having a conversation over a coffee and then somebody else jumps in. Like the whole dynamic is completely different. So I prefer offline for sure.
Great. So now the question about DevOps. DevOps is today. What is next? What is tomorrow, the day after tomorrow? What will be the future?
Well, that's a really good question. I think, what is it called? The interdisciplinary teams is the way to go. And self-organizing teams for sure is the next level. And DevOps is something that is going to be part of the fingerprint, but it's not going to be the main focus anymore. Like once it becomes part of the culture and everybody's doing DevOps, they're not going to think anymore. They're going to move on to self-management, for example, self-organization. That's what I think is where we're moving towards.
What is the main problem of developers? How do you think?
Of developers?
Yeah, main problem of developers.
Too much technical details. So there is too much focus on the technicalities, and there is little focus on one, collaboration, communication, and business. That's the main problem.
So is DevOps a profession? How do you think? Is there a DevOps engineer, such a thing?
It is such a thing, but DevOps as a profession, I would go with the developer answer and say that it depends.
Depends on what?
It depends on the company, it depends on the context, on the title and the responsibilities, the job description.
Okay, and probably the last question, what technologies are you interested now most? Like in developing, in DevOps and so on. What technologies are the trend and the hype?
Right, so the market 5-7 years ago was looking into containers. And we knew that that was going to be the next thing. After that, we knew that you would need a way to schedule these containers. So schedulers were going to be the next thing. So Mesos, Kubernetes, etc. And now we're looking into serverless. And after that, I have no idea.
What about serverless? Is it how popular is it now? And how do you think will it be like the new technology of tomorrow?
It is definitely popular. However, just like any other technology, it's not a silver bullet solution. So for sure, it's not going to be not everything. Yeah, so not everything will be run on serverless for sure, but it's going to be a really, really big part of the industry. That's for sure.
Okay, great. Thanks. That's the last question.
Yeah, cool.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.